Once again, welcome to this video. Here's my subject for this video. This is not a question. This is just a subject that I want to talk about. I want to talk about 3 laws that rule the universe, or 3 laws that govern the universe. The first law is the natural law. We live in natural laws. What is a natural law? Everything that domain our body, our life, is a law. We live under laws. Just look at yourself. Just take the picture of yourself when you're young. You realize that you have changed. You're no longer the same. What is it? It's the law. It's natural laws that God put, that domain, that rules over us, whether we like it or not. When you take your picture when you're 25, when you're 20, when you're 18, when you're a baby, and now you realize that you change. You're no longer the same person that you used to be. You're no longer that baby that you used to be. Now you have beard, you have grown beard, you're a man now, you have a big voice now, you have dominion, you can say something and people respect it. What is it? What is making it? Is natural laws. We live under it. God put it in, we can't escape it. Second law is spiritual law. It's a spiritual law. We can go to church, but we have spiritual law. We live under spiritual. Prayers that we did is spiritual. You see somebody who knows the spiritual law. You can see a Sangoma come here, or a child of Satan can come in your midst and sit down and then say some things in spiritual world, and then you get sick. He didn't touch you, the person didn't touch you and stuff, but since he contact himself, he put his spirit in contact with spiritual world, and then he can say something to you and then happen to you. What is it? It's a spiritual law. It's spiritual law. It's same thing with a child of God. I can be here as a child of God. I can pray and then say something and then happen to you, or happen to somebody, or happen that can happen maybe tomorrow or next year. What is it? It's a spiritual law. A child of Satan can be here. A child of Satan can be in your midst or in the church. And then he cast out something against the preacher. And then you see the preacher start seeing some things, start going like he's mad. What is it? It's a spiritual law. It's a spiritual law. The person enter in contact with the spiritual law, and then whatever he say will happen to you. It's a spiritual law. But now the main law that rule everything is divine law. That is the domain of God himself. That is the power of creation. That's why when God say in the book of Genesis, let it be light, and there was light. What is it? It was divine law. That natural law can't reach, and spiritual law can't reach. Is only the domain of God himself. Those are the 3 main laws that rule the universe. But the main law that rule over everything is the divine law. It's the divine law that rules everything. The law of God. The law of speaking the word. And it's happened instantly. Divine law doesn't look at tomorrow. Doesn't look at the future. Divine law is something that's happening now, instantly. That is divine law. It's the most powerful laws that rule everything, that rule all of us. Let there be light, and there was light. What is it? Divine law is the law of God himself. It's the only law that God used. But in this end time, God gave it to a human being, a prophet called William Branham. He manifested, showing that our life, we need to reach like God. The main purpose, or the main purpose of God as children of God, is to reach like him, is to be equal with him. So behold, there are 3 laws that rules the universe, or the three laws that govern the universe. If you never know about it, may this video help you and make you understand. Those are the three laws that rule all of us, whether we like it or not. On Friday on at 10:30, what is it? It's a natural law that I can't escape it. If you take the same Charles that I used to be, and the one is now, and then I'm no longer the same. I'm not the same. I've changed. Even the voice, even the way of talking, even the way of walking has changed. It's natural law. Those are the three laws that govern the universe. Learn and apply.